Good morning to all. In today, you are discussing the class of the topic of the slope and slope concept. तागरे before कल हम कौन करते section formula internally externally division section formula concept कर ले तापरे ताको base करके trisection point mid point और देखते आज ही होची completely slope what is the meaning of this slope ले कौन next तारा basic कोई questions कर देखिए starting slope of a line. Slope of a line. Line to slope level what is the meaning of the slope of the line. If I have to take that plus x-axis, y-axis, now x-axis. Again, this is the y-axis, and it is intersection point origin. If I j covers a line to draw, this is the line. This is the line L is equal to 0. What a line touch. Ebe e line x axis anti-clockwise direction means this is the way of direction. Anti-clockwise direction angle को theta कहते. Then what is that? If the line makes an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis, then theta is called inclination. It is called the inclination. This theta is called the inclination. Let x-axis say the positive direction angle. Positive, sir, what is the meaning of the positive direction? What is the meaning of the negative direction? x-axis say so suppose here x-axis अच्छे e pute angle करी that is positive angle उल्टा करी negative angle मतलब x axis साकरे हमको positive वाइज से पूरे एंगल अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन पूरे एंगल को पॉजिटिव एंगल करे डाउनवर्ड करे एंगल को नेगेटिव एंगल करे so this is the positive and negative angle देखना है अब कौन होची so this is called the theta is called the inclination अब कौन होची inclination inclination एबे ई inclination रो tangent of angle theta that is tan theta is called slope of line then is slope of line and denoted by m. So m is equal to tan theta. It is theta value always lies between 0 to pi. 0 to pi inclination first part and second part. So this is called the slope of a line. Let j कौन सी गुटे line रो slope कौन करे suppose a line का x axis का करे angle theta suppose theta is equal to 45 degrees थे m slope कितना slope tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 एबे theta is equal to 60 degrees अच्छे है m is equal to tan 60 degrees that is equal to √3 आया होची slope का so j कौन सी गुटे line कौन angle करछि केते angle करछि देखुले ना that angle is called the inclination. See inclination रो tangent value is called the slope. Inclination रो tangent value is called the slope. This is the definition of the slope. आपको हमें बेस करके का प्रॉब्लम्स बुझे उले से कोन दो एंगल्स देखि स्लोप पचरियो स्लोप देखि एंगल का पचरियो इले कोन होचे find the slopes of following find the slope of following lines whose inclination is given तर inclination देना angle टा कहते slope टा कहते हैं first one theta is equal to 45 degrees देना slope m कहता है slope m is equal to tan 45 degrees that is equal to 1 and second question theta is equal to 60 degrees देना अब r slope कहता है slope m is equal to tan 60 degrees that is root 3. A third one theta is equal to 135 degrees then slope कितना slope m is equal to tan of 135 degrees tan 135 में second quadrant tan negative that is -1 same model fourth one theta is equal to 90 degrees then theta is equal to 90 degrees m is equal to क्या tan 90 that is equal to definitively undefined it is undefined same fifth one theta is equal to 0 degree then m is equal to tan 0 degree that is 0 एक्चुअली ई तीन टाइम 45 डिग्री 60 डिग्री 90 डिग्री से कोन होचे एबे x एक्सिस y एक्सिस अछि ई x एक्सिस सहित 90 डिग्री करछले कोन होचे ऑटोमेटिकली इट इज ए y एक्सिस सेति पय हम कोन कहउछथि स्लोप ऑफ y axis is not defined y axis रो स्लोप हमको डिफाइन करि परिबा नहीं स्लोप ऑफ y axis is not defined या 90 डिग्री से अगेन 0 डिग्री रे ई लाइन का हम लाइन टू लाइन चलेगा दैट इज कॉल्ड 0 डिग्री हो सिमिलरली का स्लोप ऑफ x axis is 0 so y axis रो स्लोप not defined and x axis रो स्लोप होची 0 होची so this is the wavelength हम कोन होची दिटा म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर लाइन देला को हमें x एक्सिस अगर का मेजरमेंट करके चलेबा x एक्सिस अगर कोला कहबे लाइन टाइप तो अछि दिस इज द लाइन x एक्सिस को ऑटोमेटिकली मिस जो बोले ई लाइन के लेसन मिसला एंगल टा 0 हैला देन द स्लोप रे केते होची 0 होची एबे एंगल टा 90 डिग्री से लागो त टे स्लोप रे केते होची अनडिफाइंड होची सो स्लोप ऑफ y एक्सिस इज नॉट डिफाइंड एंड स्लोप ऑफ x एक्सिस इज 0 so angle raditko we need to find the slope this is the angles are given need to find the slope concept angle तले हमको slope काढवा सिस्टम पे एबे सपोज स्लोप देखि एंगल पचरे और रिवर्स प्रोसेस ता एकड़ हो स्लोप देखि जाते देखो दिस इज द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 45 डिग्री तक स्लोप m is equal करते हैं tan 45 is equal to 1 60 डिग्री देले स्लोप m is equal to tan 60 root 3 theta is equal to 145 देले स्लोप m is equal to tan 135 is equal to -1 again theta is equal to 90 देले m is equal to tan 90 infinity means undefined theta is 0 देले m is equal to tan 0 is equal to 0 0 which is equal to automatically 90 degrees is the y axis 0 is the x axis so slope of y axis is not defined and slope of x axis is 0 so this is the slope according to y it is given to the angle we need to find the slope angle dele हमको slope find करना now we are going to discussing while angle is given while slope is given need to find the angle let what this है m is equal to 1 by root 3 then what is the angle? Let us check on slope solution. Slope m is equal to 1 by root 3 दीजिए. Let tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 लेके तो बच्चे हमको tan 30 degrees. So it theta inclination is equal to 30 degrees. And second one, m is equal to minus root 3 then. Let tan theta is equal to minus root 3. तो हमको ये slope must be lies in first and second quadrant. Second quadrant 90 लेके तो ऐसे tan theta is equal to tan of 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. And 180 minus 60 the second quadrant for negative and 180 is the function to change. So finally tan theta is equal to tan of 120 degrees. So e case में theta कितना है हमको 120 degrees. Now next, suppose m is equal to 1 then. Let tan theta is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to tan 45 degrees. So theta is equal to 45 degrees. So this is the rate. First concept inclination देले slope कढ़ियारो. Second concept होची slope देले inclination कढ़ियारो. Slope देले inclination कढ़ियारो. Slope 1 by root 3 देला ले. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 tan और 30 degrees value. Theta is equal to जानते हो पूरे मन रखो इटे. Angle must be lies between 0 to 2 pi. That must be like this is the one. Suppose a line equatus value, you will go to the negative angle concept to the positive angle concept to the So therefore, I am going to angle to the positive angle first quadrant, negative angle second quadrant. It a positive angle 1 by root 3, so tan 30 degrees. Negative angle second quadrant m is equal to 1 the level, tan theta is equal to 1 means theta is equal to 45 degrees. This is the way to finding the angle between angles while the slopes are given. Slope the angle find concept. This is the one. Next, third topic. Slope of a line passing through. Slope of a line passing through the points A of x1 y1 and B of x2 y2 is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So जे कौन सी दुईटा पॉइंट बटे पास होता है लाइन और स्लोप का फॉर्मूला y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. There is the 2 points are given the class. Like what होची I can consider the first. This is the line tendency. First point it is a होची. This is x1 y1. Like I mean perpendicular draw. This is the x1 and it is y1. Outer point it होची ना it b. आपको मैं draw करूँगा. This totally length होची x2 काटे b of x2 y2. So automatically this length is x2 minus x1. Again e total length हम कहते हैं y2. अब हम perpendicular draw करें. This is y1. So it is y2 minus y1. ये x2 minus x1 actually यहाँ भी x2 minus x1. हमको suppose e theta is the inclination level. These are not the two similar triangles, so यहाँ पे हमको theta का होगा. So what is the formula for slope? Slope is equal to m is equal to tan theta. Slope m is equal to our triangle. A, B, C available. So from triangle ABCD. Tan theta is equal to कितना slope? What is the formula for tan theta? Opposite side, that means P by B. Perpendicular by base. So that is equal to BC by AC. But our tan theta is slope will answer. So M is equal to BC means this is the distance y2 minus y1, and AC means that is the distance x2 minus x1. This is the formula of a line, slope of a line which is passes through the 2 points. J कौन से बीटा पॉइंट वाले गुड़े पास आवर लाइन का स्लोप कौन है difference of the y coordinates by difference of the x coordinates, difference of the y coordinates by difference of the x coordinate, that is the slope of a line. 2 points वाले पास आवर लाइन कौन होची the example question है find the slope of a line passing through -1 comma 2 and 2 comma 4. It is a point on the pass over slope of the channel. Then what is the formula for that was -1 comma -2. Now slope formula properly. What is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. यहाँ होची x1 y1. This is x2 y2. So y2 minus 4 minus of -2 by 2 minus of -1. That is 4 plus 2 by 2 plus 1. That is 6 by 3 is equal to 2 slope. Let J कौन सी बीटा पॉइंट वाले पास ओवर लाइन का स्लोप हुआ. So first concept कौन होची से लाइन को जो एंगल का चलने थीटा. If the angle that you know means then slope is equal to m is equal to tan theta of angle का चलने. एबे कौन होची J कौन सी बीटा पॉइंट वाले पास होची लाइन में तार स्लोप का फार्मूला कौन है y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And you can find the slope of a line passing through this point is equal to this formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. In the first point which is -1 minus 2, second point which is 2 4. So slope of find by that as 4 minus of -2 by 2 minus of -1. Therefore 4 plus 2 by 2 plus 1, that is 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So this is the way to find the slope of a line passes through the 2 points. 0 point of the pass of a line. This is the point. So today you are discussing that was first what is the meaning of this slope. The theta is the inclination which is making with the x-axis. Then it is called the theta inclination. Tangent of theta is called the slope. Tangent of the theta is equal to cos. Only m is equal to tan theta. Now m is equal to tan theta slope then inclination then slope का concept. Slope then inclination का concept. Next we are going to discuss that was how to find the slope of a line while it is passes through the 2 points. Now angle between two lines whose slopes are given. Angle between two lines whose slopes are given. Let J कौन से डेटा लाइन मझे एंगल ले देखो हमको डेटा लाइन इंटरसेक्ट करछे it must be the angle theta. So here theta है ये automatically pi minus theta and this is also pi minus theta. Again it is also theta. So हमें पढ़ो देखो angle टक्कर में you can find in that was angle you can find that was. So angle between two lines when the slopes are given. Slopes then आपको angle का भी find करेगा. You can be discussing the numbers. Say now I am going to draw across. x-axis, x-axis, y-axis. This is the one of the line. Again, it is another line. Get a line each. So this is the first line and second line, two lines are. Again, ಈ angle टा पावे theta 1, ಈ angle टा को theta 2 लगा. कौन भाई केबे जाने चाहिए? This is the line, the first line L1 is equal to 0. This is the second line L2 is equal to 0. ఈ లైన్ కు x యాక్సిస్ అక్కడ కొనే యాంగిల్ తో ఆల్రెడీ కొన్ని పాజిటివ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఈ యాంగిల్ అవ్వని నాట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ యాంగిల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద యాంగిల్ ఓన్లీ. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద యాంగిల్ ఓన్లీ. X axis angle, this is the angle of you never be take the first, this is the angle. For by positive direction angle x axis. So this is the theta 1, this is the theta 2. There are here theta pi minus theta 1. This is the pi minus theta 1. Suppose this theta angle this angle I am consider as a theta. Theta also every code if slope of the line given actually the concept what is that unique state across if theta 1 comma theta 2 are the inclinations of the lines, inclination of the lines, L1 is equal to 0, comma L2 is equal to 0. A theta line, first line to theta 1 inclination, second line to theta 2 inclinations per line. Then first line to slope M1 is equal to tan theta 1 and second line to slope M2 is equal to tan theta 2. And the first angle to theta 1 and second angle to theta 2 is there. So this is the slope technique. Every code let theta be the angle between them. It angle to theta between them. It angle to theta. Every तुम जागृत देखिए every हम triangle का एक्शन suppose A आपको B आपको C देखिए this is the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC sum of the angles कहते हैं 90 180 degrees. So theta plus theta 2 plus pi minus theta 1 is equal to pi because sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. If pi को pi कोटला so it theta is equal to minus theta 1 plus theta 1 minus theta 2. Theta 1 minus theta 2. With the put tan apply करेंगे. Tan theta is equal to tan of theta 1 minus theta 2. So formula is that tan theta is equal to tan of A minus B formula. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. But tan theta 1 is M1, tan theta 2 is M2. So theta का मैं substitution करने कहता है सिवा M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 into M2. This is the formula of slope between two lines whose inclinations are given. Then theta inclination the line I am slope पर formula बनाने What is the angle between two lines? J कौन से theta angle theta लिखने ले. Suppose if theta 1, theta 2 are the two inclinations of the lines, L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0 then slope M1 is equal to tan theta 1 and slope M2 is equal to tan theta 2. Let theta be the angle between these two lines. If theta be the angle between the two lines, you have to write triangle. Triangle sum of the angles is always 180 degrees. So theta plus theta 2 plus pi minus theta 1 is equal to 180. So pi power में pi cancel है. Theta is equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. Take the tangent on both sides. Tan theta is equal to tan of theta 1 minus theta 2. Tan of a minus b formula tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So x is equal to 1 minus 1 2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is the formula you can be using while it is given to the slopes and angles level. This is the formula. So this is the slope tan theta is equal to formula of this one. This is the angle between two lines. Angle between the two lines is using of this formula. Now आपको बेस पर हमें प्रॉब्लम चलेगा. क्लियर बुझला तो जानते देखो तो तुमको नोट्स आपको भी पीडीएफ फाइल पड़ेगी. इसी पीडीएफ फाइल देखिए नोट्स लिखते हैं. अरे find the angle between the lines whose slopes are given 1/2 comma 1/2. Whose slopes are given 1/2 comma 1/2. Solution given m1 is equal to this 1/2 and m2 is equal to 1/3. Let theta be the angle between them. Then and what is the formula? Tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. That is equal to 1/2 minus 1/3 by 1 plus 1/2 into 1/3. So हम सूत्र सिंप्लीफाई करके कैसे हो? Tan theta is equal to 2 को 3 कैल्शियम 6 3 minus 2 by 1 plus 1/6. 1 plus 1/6. That is equal to 3 minus 2/6 means 1/6 by 7/6. Both are cancelled. So tan theta is equal to 1/7. Tan theta is equal to 1/7. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 1/7. This is the angle between two lines whose slopes are given. Plus now the angle find for formula this one. So m1 m2 the what is the formula? If you want to know theta is acute angle and obtuse angle theta को पता चलते. So you must be take the plus or minus की value. But acute angle is positive हो, obtuse angle is negative. इच्छे बचा लेना then you can go for that. Or directly you can do it. Otherwise it is a plus or minus. If theta the angle between these two lines is a positive angle means acute angle. Negative angle means it is obtuse angle. So this is the formula you can use in the find the angle between two lines. Okay. While the slopes are given, you can find the angle between. So this is the way to find the angle between two lines. Now, next, another question. Find the angle. Okay, question from beginning of concept. If two lines are parallel, ଏବେ ଯେ କୌଣସି ଦୁଇଟା ଲାଇନ୍ ପ୍ୟାରାଲାଲ୍ ଅଛି, ଏବେ ଟୁ ଲାଇନ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ପ୍ୟାରାଲାଲ୍ ଲାଇନ୍ସ ଅଛି ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ, ଏ ଦୁଇଟା ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଆଙ୍ଗେଲ୍ କେତେ ଆସିବ 0, then angle between these two is equal to 0. That means tan 0 is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Tan 0 कहते हैं 0 is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So eppadu andra kete asiyo m1 minus m2 is equal to 0. So m1 is equal to m2. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Like j konosi duita line parallel ochindi, ee duita kore angle same hobo, so automatically their slopes kete asiyo equal. If any two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. If any two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Very most important concept. Duita line parallel ochebe their slopes compulsory equal. If two lines are perpendicular, if two lines are perpendicular, जे कौन से दुटा लाइन perpendicular अच्छे कौन हो? In such cases theta is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. So tan of 90 degrees is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Tan 90 is infinity is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Infinite means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So it implies 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 0. So m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. That is the meaning. What is it? J konosi duita line perpendicular achi, this is the one of the line and another line perpendicular achi. Ee duita line perpendicular achi, clear ko achi x axis and y axis. If two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. If two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. If two lines are parallel, जे कौन से दुटा line parallel हो चले तार slope टा equal होगा, जे कौन से दुटा line perpendicular हो चले तार product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. So today the completely class discussing about the slope of a line. First of all, what is the meaning of the slope of a line? How to find the slope while the inclination is given? How to find the inclination while slope is given? The next concept is 2 points. What is the slope of a line passes through the 2 points? Next, angle between the two lines whose slopes are given. If two lines are parallel means what is the condition? If two lines are perpendicular means what is the condition? This is the completely concept which is related to the slope of the line. So up to this concept, the total concept of the first exercise is completed. In the next class, we are discussing the problems in exercise. To please bring the textbook with we are solving the questions.